If you want a smooth, elastic edge for 1x1 rib, the Italian cast-on makes the difference. Here's how it looks in mirror knitting.